The CHT Value Chart indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and implement it on the chart. Traders can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and how to use it. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to implement the indicator. Just make sure to activate the Allow DLL Imports option in the settings and then click the OK button. Drag the indicator file onto the chart. Enable Allow DLL Imports and click OK. A settings window will open at the bottom. Just make sure to check the box next to the command option in the Allo Delilah section, and then click the Confirm button. The CHT Value Chart indicator highlights overbought areas by removing trends. A bullish trend is followed by a bearish trend, showing overbought areas at level 12. The CHT Value Chart indicator is a practical and suitable tool for identifying overbought and oversold areas on the price chart. This indicator removes trends from the chart and only displays the candlestick cycles without any trend in the oscillator window. As you can see here, we have a bullish trend followed by a bearish trend, but in this section, we see that the trends are displayed in such a way that we can identify overbought areas at level 12. We can use this to our advantage, and the maximum level we can set in this section is 15. Similarly, for oversold areas, the closest negative levels are 12 and 15, with 15 being the highest level of oversold conditions. This is all adjustable in the settings. The maximum level is 15. For oversold areas, levels are 12 and 15, with 15 being the highest. Choose display settings, light, dark, or custom. Light applies a light template, dark a dark one, and custom keeps yours. Choose the calculation period. Default is 5. Select bullish and bearish candle colors. This indicator normalizes candles based on the period, identifying price reversal areas. I'll select the dark template and set the period to 10. In the input section, there are options available for us. In the first part, you can choose the display settings, the theme, or the custom template of the indicator, which has 3 modes: light, dark, and custom. By selecting the light option, a light template is applied to the chart. By selecting the dark option, a dark template is applied to the chart. And by selecting the custom option, it keeps your personalized template and only applies the indicator on the chart. In the next section, you can choose the calculation period for the algorithm, which is set to 5 by default. In the following section, you can select the color of the bullish candles, and in the lower section, you can choose the color of the bearish candles. This indicator uses an algorithm that normalizes the candles based on the period we provide, making it easy to identify price reversal areas. Here, I will select the dark template. I set the period to 10. Color. It's a color of color. I choose dark green and the negative color to blue, and then click Confirm. So here we see that my template has changed the color of the date, and my bullish candles have changed to dark green, and my bearish candles have changed to blue, along with the period of my indicator. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy to have you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.